You want to take notes during the course to make sure the information stays fresh in your mind. Always remember cryptocurrency is an investment.
Ways to cash in on Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. There are 4 main ways to profit from Bitcoins. The first method is to mine coins and sell them for profits. The second method is to invest in the digital currency with real money and then sell it again for a profit. The third method is to offer services or products in exchange for Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. The fourth method is to get free Bitcoins. The first method. Mining Bitcoins and then selling it for money requires a lot of calculations on the miner's part in order to profit from. A good miner has to understand the technical side of this digital currency and the cost of entry that one has to purchase the hardware to mine the coins. The second method. Investing and trading in digital currencies is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get started in making money with digital currencies. It does not require a lot of technical knowledge, but it does require your time to monitor charts and the news for better results. The third method. Selling your products and services for Bitcoins is one of the most secure ways to acquire Bitcoins over the internet. The benefit here is that you will not have to pay any of those huge bank or transaction fees. The downside here is that the price of Bitcoins changes rather fast, and you'll have to wait for the right price before you can cash out. The fourth method. This is perhaps the slowest method. There are numerous sources out there to grab Bitcoins for free. Most of them will require your time to do something in return, such as clicking or viewing ads, and much more.
Each week we upload a new video until all 12 lessons are uploaded. We will then begin a new course on cryptocurrency. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.
All I want,